Okay, we are starting our CSV upload. From our portal, you will go to our course grading, and from there, we select the session and then select the semester. I'm selecting an old session. That's where I have stuff to do this training. So I go to proceed to grading, and then I come to upload grades. To upload grades, I go to CSV upload. CSV upload, I download sheet 2. I just click and then it gives me the example I have here. So I can easily see what I have downloaded, and possibly I should just download another one. No, let me see. Okay, so this is what I have downloaded. From there, I'm going to remove this sheet, and then I will equally, because I don't have the CBT stuff to use, I need to do another one. So let me just replicate this. I move to another sheet, assuming that that is my CBT. Okay, I say copy to CBT, and then I rename this CBT and save it as CBT. I save it as cbt.doc. ODC. Okay, mine is that, but yours should be there. So what we need to do is we want to move this. This one's supposed not to have all these calls there. So I'm deleting them off. All right. So and then my CBT I want to rearrange. Mind you, the one from the results don't rearrange. But because I'm using this as CBT, I want to arrange with names, arrange, send in order. Okay, I've rearranged them. Okay, so I save this. Okay, so the name are no more the same, and they are different. So, and then this one has the score, this one does not have the score. So I want to put these on the same workbook with the CBT. So I right click, copy, move it to this location. Once the two of them are opened, it will list them out for me here. And then I move it, and then I call it that, and I save. Then I can safely close this because it's already here for me. All right. So this is my CBT with this course, and then this is my CSV from the results portal. Okay, so this my destination. I want to put this course here, and this is my source. So when I say source file, this is my source file, and this is my destination file. So everything I need to do, or everything I want to start with, will be from my source file. My source file is CBT, so I want to put everything into range that I will be using on my destination file. So I will start with my matric number, highlight all, and put it in a range. Okay, not because it's not sorted. So highlight, go to data, define range, and then it has given me the range list. It has defined it here already, so I just need to give it a name. So what name do I give it? CBT matric. Okay, add CBT matric. Okay, I want to equally define you have to define all. I go to data, I say define range, CBT C1. I add it there. I say okay. I'm doing it one by one after the other. All right. So I define this range to CBT C 2. Okay, I add. Okay, CA3, define the range, CBT, CA3. Okay, I add. CA4, I define it. CBT, CA4. You can label it the way you like, the way you remember, right? And then I'm just doing it the way I prefer, and then I will easily remember. I define this also. CBT, CBT exams. All right. And I say add. So I've defined all that I need to define. I need to go to the destination file, destination arranged. So I've not scattered the arrangement from the portal. Okay. So I want to put the formula here. Just be checking what will be happening in this formula box, because that is where I will be, it will be showing. I said equal sign, index, the CA1 that is coming to CA1 from CBT, open brackets, CA, CBT, CA1, already highlighted. I press enter, comma, match what? Open brackets, match the index, I mean the matric number. I'm working with the matric number, not with name, comma, with CBT matric number, comma, and I put 0. 0 means give me exact match. When you compare this with that, once it matches exactly, that is what you should do. And I press my enter key once my formula is. Let's review the formula again. Index the source CA1, match destination matrix with source matrix exactly 0. No difference, no addition, no subtraction. And once I am through, I press my enter key and it gives me that. And once that one is done, I just double click. After it shows me double arrow there, I double click and I'm good. Everything is completed. You can equally verify later, right? So everything is completed. Now CA2, okay. CA2, just do the same thing, equals index, open brackets, CBT CA2, comma, space, match, open brackets, the matrix number of the destination with the matrix number CBT matrix range, CBT matrix range, all right, exact value, all right. I press enter, gives me perfect. I run it down, go to CA3, equals index, opens brackets, CBT CA3, CA3, comma, match, open bracket again, matrix number of the source, comma, with matrix number of source, destination first, then source, CBT matrix, enter, comma, exact match, enter. All right. So that's how to just do it and then sort and then you upload back. Index, open brackets, CBT CA4, CBT CA4. Did I have a CA4 there? Index. Okay, you see the challenge here? I did not start with my equal sign. So equal sign is supposed to be there. That's why it's not giving it to me. CBT CA4 CA4. Okay, is there? You're looking at this place now, comma, match, okay, open brackets here, that is B2, comma, CBT matric, comma, 0, close, enter. It's giving me CA4. Exam, just the same thing. Still be looking at the formula box here. Equals index, open brackets, CBT exam, comma, match, open brackets, match, open brackets, the cell address B2, comma, match B2, and then what's it called? CBT matric numbers, comma, exact match, close. So I've completed my upload. So the next thing is to just move this one out to a new sheet. I said move copy. I want to copy this to a new document, and I retain the name. I want to copy this because that's what I will use to save it. I said, and then I will say save as CSV. Remember, it must be CSV and not XLS or XLS. It must be CSV, and then I paste the name, and it will tell me something is there like that. And I click OK, and I overwrite. Okay, and I finalize it like that. Okay, it's not giving me direct like this. Okay, because I did what? Okay, let me try again. Because this thing is still formula. What did I do? I copy or move. Okay, let me say move. Let me move it and see what happens. I move it to another place. Anyway, I can space this out depending on how it works for you. I can insert column here and then 5 columns. 5 columns. I need 5 columns. All right, 5 columns. So I can now move this one here since they are exact. Okay, so I'm highlighting everything here because this one is formula. So that's why it's doing like that for us. This one is formula. I copy. Okay. Now I go back there. I go back up there. All right. And then I go back up there. And then I now see what will happen. I click here, right click, then come to paste special. And what I need is pure number. I put the pure number there. I delete this one off because this one is formula. All right. So I now have pure numbers here. No more formula. So by the time I move this or copy this to any other place, I said move to new documents or copy to new documents, retaining this. Okay, it's giving me and no more error. All right. Then I can now save it as CSV. I save it as CSV and then It is no more giving me error. Uh, 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 uh. So I come back here, select this, copy this, because I want to just have the exact name and paste, and I say overwrite. Yes, good. So I have it already. So this is what I will use to upload back to my portal, and I have done for 500 students, more than 500 students. In how many minutes? Probably less than 30 minutes, and I am good. So I come here, CA1, choose. This is what I have there, and then I can say CSV upload. I will click that, and it will upload for me. I believe uh, the tutorial is simple enough. If you still have any challenge, please DM. Don't call, DM on WhatsApp. I prefer text message. I prefer WhatsApp message than phone calls. Phone calls usually distract my attention, especially when I concentrate on doing something very special like this. Thank you very much. God bless.